Cerviconfa is a small family industry with a gender perspective, specialized in hair care products, household and industrial cleaning products, and food-grade products for mass consumption distributed to all economic sectors, emphasizing on the economically depressed groups. The company started as a micro-enterprise in an economically deprived community, providing jobs and business opportunities to its neighbors. Our project, KX Freshling, the cleanest way to generate income, consists in a line of household cleaning concentrated products of easy purchasing, marketed through a hybrid sales system, mixing the traditional sales in stores with a simplified direct sales structure MLM-like, supported by digital technology. The system facilitates that any person can start its own business with a low investment, getting benefits from the start by reducing its own consumption costs. As a result of doing this, we ensure the generation of business opportunities that will allow improving the living standards of the company employees and independent distributors, contributing to the reduction of poverty, as well as to positively making an impact on end users by the offer of quality products at more affordable prices. Also, in our independent distributors, facilitating them the access to additional income and training to achieve their goals. Finally, on Dominican small farmers by become a new market niche for their agricultural products. We make good the opportunity to remind you that by using more concentrated and biodegradable products we contribute to reduce the environmental contamination.